Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewn tutorials and sewn patterns. Today, I have a super easy and quick tutorial for a maxi skirt. You can sew the skirt in literally 30 minutes. If you're a beginner, maybe in an hour. And for me, this skirt is a truly must-have because first of all, it works for both casual and evening looks, and secondly, it's super comfortable. I made the bottom width wide enough for walk comfortably while still keeping a slim silhouette. Anyway, the skirt pattern will be in description below, and let's get into the tutorial. To make the skirt, we'll need knit fabric, a little over 1 meter, about 1.2 meters. 5mm wide elastic. I know many people use wider elastic for skirts like this, but I think thin elastic makes it much more comfortable. And the pattern, which you can download via the link in the description below. So first, we print the pattern and check if the print scale is correct by measuring the test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Next, cut off excess paper where the scissors are marked, tape all the sheets together, and cut out all the pattern pieces. Before cutting the fabric, I always pre-shrink it by steaming it with an iron to prevent future shrinkage. Now place the front and back pieces right sides together and sew along the side seams. I'm gonna do this in an overlocker, but you can also do this on your regular sewing machine using a zigzag stitch or just a straight stitch. Now measure the amount of elastic you need around the area where the skirt will sit. Now I'm going to sew a seam in an overlocker while placing the elastic underneath. If you're using a regular sewing machine, just place the elastic under a zigzag stitch. Now fold it over and top stitch with a straight stitch or with a twin needle. If you will top stitch with a single needle, slightly stretch the fabric as you go. As for the hem of the skirt, I'm just gonna finish it in an overlock first, then fold it up by 1 centimeter and top stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Valerie. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.